Exploring the magical ways inside an ant mound unveils a fascinating world of intricate organization, cooperation, and survival strategies that have evolved over millions of years. Ants, as social insects, live in complex societies governed by unique behaviors and structures. Ant mounds, also known as anthills or ant nests, are structures created by ants primarily for shelter, food storage, and rearing of offspring. These mounds vary in size, shape, and composition depending on the species of ant and environmental factors. Ants are social insects, meaning they live in highly organized colonies where individuals are divided into castes with specialized roles. Ant mounds exhibit remarkable architectural complexity, despite their seemingly simple construction materials. The structure of an ant mound is optimized for ventilation, temperature regulation, and protection from predators and environmental factors. Ant mounds typically have one or more entrances that serve as points of ingress and egress for foraging ants. These entrances are strategically positioned to allow easy access to and from the nest while minimizing exposure to predators. Some species of ants construct elaborate tunnel systems leading from the surface into the depths of the mound. Within the mound, ants create a network of chambers and tunnels where they perform various activities such as brood rearing, food storage, and resting. The layout of these chambers and tunnels can vary widely depending on the species and size of the colony. These shafts help regulate temperature and humidity levels, ensuring the comfort and survival of the colony. Near the entrances of the mound, ants often deposit waste materials such as dead insects, feces, and discarded food items. Ants communicate primarily through the use of pheromones, chemical substances that convey information about food sources, nest locations, and potential threats. Inside the ant mound, pheromones play a crucial role in coordinating the activities of colony members and maintaining social cohesion. When ants discover a new food source, they leave a trail of pheromones leading from the source back to the nest. Other ants can then follow this trail to locate the food and transport it back to the colony. In the event of a threat or disturbance, ants release alarm pheromones to alert their nestmates and coordinate a collective response. This can include mobilizing for defense, evacuating the nest, or relocating the queen and brood to safety. The queen ant produces a unique blend of pheromones that help maintain the social order within the colony. These pheromones inhibit the development of ovaries in worker ants and regulate their behavior according to the needs of the colony. The queen ant is the reproductive center of the colony, responsible for laying eggs and producing offspring. She is tended to by worker ants, who feed and groom her to ensure her health and longevity. In some ant species, specialized soldier ants are tasked with defending the colony against predators and intruders. These ants are typically larger and possess stronger mandibles or stingers for subduing threats. Ant colonies invest significant resources in caring for their offspring, which are the future generations of the colony. Inside the mound, ants create specialized chambers known as nurseries where eggs are laid and larvae develop into pupae. Ant colonies employ sophisticated strategies for managing their resources, including food, water, and nesting materials. Inside the mound, ants store food reserves and maintain stockpiles of essential supplies to sustain the colony during times of scarcity. Ants collect and store food in specialized chambers within the nest, where it is protected from spoilage and predation. Some species of ants cultivate fungus gardens inside their nests, using plant material and organic matter as substrate for fungal growth. Ants are adept at recycling organic matter and waste materials within the nest. Dead insects, plant debris, and other organic material are broken down by specialized workers and used to enrich the soil or feed the colony. In arid environments, ants may collect and store water inside the nest to maintain hydration levels and prevent desiccation. Some species of ants construct water traps or reservoirs using soil and plant material to capture rainwater or moisture from the air. Ant colonies face numerous threats from predators, parasites, and competing colonies, prompting the evolution of sophisticated defense mechanisms and strategies. Inside the mound, ants employ both physical and chemical defenses to protect themselves and their nestmates. From the intricate architecture of the mound to the unseen mechanisms of communication, resource management, and defense, ants have developed a myriad of strategies for thriving in their ecosystems. By studying the behavior and ecology of ants, scientists gain insights into fundamental principles of social organization, cooperation, and adaptation that are relevant not only to insects but to all living organisms. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.